In the name of Allah, most merciful, let's start our class. Hello, welcome everyone to our beautiful English class. Our subject today is whose is it? Left off, old and new. Let's start the Bible lesson with a warm-up question. Where does the parrot live? Look at the picture. Where does the parrot live? Now, read, write, listen, and sing. A. Read Nina's email. Where does the parrot live? Dear Rima, I had a big surprise this afternoon. I came into the house and I heard someone say hello. It was a funny voice. I thought there was someone in the house, but there was only my mom and a parrot. She bought it for me this morning, and the parrot said hello. It lives in a cage. I'm going to teach it more new words. Nina, P.S. How are you and your family? By the way, P.S. mean that after the main script, you write P.S., okay? After thoughts, how are you and your family? Okay? Now, read the email again. Pause the video and read it again. Find and write the simple past tense of these words. So we have the present, we need the past. So listen carefully.
Lesson 3. Whose is it? Track 6. Exercise 3. Read, write, listen and say.
Have, had, had. Come, came, came. Hear, heard, heard. Think, thought, thought. Buy, bought, bought. Say, said, said.
Okay, everybody, let's do it together now. Have, of course, had, had. Come, the past tense of come, came, came. Hear, heard, heard. Think, thought, thought. Buy, bought, bought. Say, said, said. Okay? You have to memorize all the past tense, everybody. Good. Now, about parrots. Let's read about it. Do you know there are more than 350 different kinds of parrots? Parrots can say words and sentences. Young birds can learn words and older birds can learn longer sentences. A parrot is one of the world's most intelligent birds. Don't change your parrot's meal times. They stop speaking. The best time to teach a parrot is early in the morning. Early in the morning. Okay, now, what do you know about parrots? Let's answer some questions, everybody. 1. How many different kinds of parrots are there? How many? I'm asking about number. Of course, more than 350 kinds. Number 2, can young parrots learn words? Yes, young parrots can learn words. Number 3, are parrots intelligent? Yes, they are very intelligent. Very. Number 4. When is the best time of day to teach a parrot? The answer is early in the morning. Okay? Now read and check our answers. Read the passage again, and you got all these beautiful information about parrots. Okay, then we read and answered question about parrots. These are the most important information. There are more than 350 different kinds of parrots. They are very intelligent. Young parrots can learn words. The best time of the day to teach a parrot in the morning. See you next time. Goodbye.